Hey, for this month's Northbrook Market Minute, we're ditching the stats. I'm Caroline Gow with Baird and Warner in the Glenbrook office. And we're going to focus on three things that are happening in the market because the stats are really for data in the past, and we want to focus on what's going on right now. So the first thing is showing activity is down across the board, but don't worry, this is just seasonal activity. It has nothing to do with what's going on. It's mostly just people are on vacation and getting ready for school. The second thing is it still is a strong seller's market. We don't have the frenzy that we had back in the spring. However, it is still a seller's market, so if you've been thinking about selling, it's a good time to talk to me about putting your house on the market. The third thing is if you're a buyer looking to buy a home, it's not too late because new inventory is coming to market this summer, and because the frenzy has died down, there won't be 10 offers, maybe there's only one or two, and I can help you write a win-win offer and make that offer accepted so that you can find your dream home. We'll wave a magic wand and find out what you need. So enjoy the rest of the summer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Caroline Gow. Every Tuesday we post new content of local businesses, renovation projects, and market updates to keep you in the know in Northbrook. Bye for now.